Hello everyone, this is Ankita. Welcome to Foetron Academy. Today I am going to show how can we book our flight tickets using MakeMyTrip application from our phone. To download the MakeMyTrip application, we have to go to our Play Store. In the search box, we have to type MakeMyTrip. The first application it opens, we have to install that application. As it is already installed in my phone, so I will click on open. Now, to book our flight tickets, we have to click on flights written on the top left corner. Then you have to select our departure airport and our arrival airport. So to select our departure airport, we have to click on the from. Here, let me select Bhubaneswar to Kolkata. Then I have to select my departure date. For that, I have to click on the date. Here it opens me up with the calendar. Here I can check that those dates with the spheres below, those are marked green, written in green. In those dates, the flight tickets are available. So let me select 15 October. Then I have to click on done. Next, I have to select my traveler details. If I click on travelers, it will ask me that number of adults are there. If one adult is there, then it's fine. If more than one adults are required, then I have to just click on the plus sign beside 1. It will increase. So I am giving over 1. Next, if any children are there between the age of 2 to 12 years, then I have to add them. Any infants are there with me under the age of 2 years, then I have to add them. Next, we have to choose our cabin class, like is economy or premium economy, business class or first class. After selecting all, we have to click on done. There is a special fare for students. If you are a student, then if you select the student option, you will get some discount. Otherwise, if you are not a student, you have to just unmark this. After filling all the details, you have to click on search. Here it gives me a list of flights available on 15 October. Let me select the second option. It says it will depart from Bhubaneswar from 9:35 p.m. at night. The total journey hour is 1 hour 5 minutes and it will arrive at Kolkata at 22:40, that is 10:40 p.m. at night. The fare of the price is 3,811. So let me select this. Then they are giving me two options with variation in prices. So let me see one by one. The first option is Saver. In Saver, we are getting some facilities like we can take only one small item that can fit under our seat inside the flight. Checking baggage included. Cancellation fees apply. If we cancel our ticket, then they will charge some amount. Date change chargeable. If I want to change my journey date, then I have to pay some extra amount and free seats available. The fare for this is 3,811. The next option is Flexi Plus. Here, the same, we can take only one small item that can fit under our seat inside the flight. Checking baggage included. Cancellation fees apply. Free date change allowed. In the Saver case, if we want to change our journey date, then we have to pay our extra amount. But in Flexi Plus, if we want to change our journey date, then we don't have to pay any extra amount. Free seats are available. And one more extra thing we are getting is, we are getting over here complimentary meals. The price increases to 4,204. So according to our choice and preferences, we will book our flight. Now after selecting, we have to click on book now. Over here, it gives me the details that I have booked Indigo flight. Flight number is given, the timing are given. Next, it gives me the cabin bag, details of my cabin bag. If I click on the arrow sign over here, it gives me the baggage details. Like for adults, it will be a one piece of laptop or ladies bag and the weight should be 15 kg. Next option is date change. Here it gives me my date change fees, like if I change my date 0 hours to 2 hours from the date of departure, then it will be non-changeable. I will not able to change my date. If I change 2 hours to 3 days before the date of departure, then it will charge 3000 plus 300 plus fare differences extra. If I change 3 days to 365 days before the date of journey, then it will charge 2500 plus 300 plus fare difference. Next option is cancellation details. If I cancel my ticket before the date of journey 0 hours to 2 hours, then my amount will be non-refundable. If I cancel my ticket 2 hours to 3 days before the date of departure, then 3500 plus 300 will be deducted. If I cancel my ticket 3 days to 365 days, then 3000 plus 300 amount will be deducted. Next we have to click over here if I want to secure my trip or not. If I want to secure my trip, then I have to click on yes, I want to secure my trip. Then there will be some extra amount added to my fare. If I don't want to secure my trip, I will click on no, I don't want to secure. Next I have to click on continue. After that, they ask for the traveler details. To add the traveler details, I have to click on add adult. Here I have to select the gender. Then I have to give my name. First name and the next is last name. Then I have to click on confirm. Here I have to give my contact information like email address. Next they ask for phone number. After that I have to click on continue. Here it gives me the flight seat. Here below there gives some details about the seat. The green color seats are a free of seat. For those light blue, they will charge of 99 to 350 rupees extra. For deep blue, it will charge with 350 to 1000 rupees extra. The seats which are marked with red dot, it's the exit row seat. With black line, it's non-reclining, and XL is extra legroom. So over here, I can see all the seats with the available details. According to our choice, we can choose any of our seats. Let me select this. It will charge me 350 extra for this set. Next, I have to click on next. Here I have to select my meals, that veg or non-veg. So I am selecting over here. If I want to add any food, then I can add from here. Otherwise, I can directly skip to my payment option. To skip to my payment option, I have to click on the top right corner. It is given skip to payment. Here there are several payment options. We can pay through UPI directly from our bank account. We can use debit card, credit card or ATM card. Then EMI option, net banking and wallet. For debit card and credit card, we have to click on debit card. Then we have to fill our card details, name on the card, expiry year and CVV. And we have to click on continue. After clicking on continue, it will show a transaction message. It will say the payment has been successfully done. As the payment has been done, all my journey details will be sent to my registered mail ID and my phone number. I hope you like this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel Foetron Academy. Thank you.